It starts with silence, a broken glass vase. The iPad lies still, its purpose erased. 11 inches, once alive with light, now webbed in cracks from a sudden fight. A pro device, its soul is strong and fine, but even strength can splinter over time. So now begins the careful, sacred rite to part the screen and bring it back to life. I warm the edges, heat is how we start. Around the frame I trace a circle arc. A heat plate glows or hot air gently flows, loosening adhesives where the glass still holds. With suction cups or thin, strong plastic picks, I lift the edge, but never force or flick. This laminated screen is thin and tight, so I take my time, keeping tension light. From bottom up, the side I chose to lead, avoiding the flexes I know I might impede. I slide, I lift, I feel the subtle give. The bonds begin to fail, the glass forgives. I reach the last side, the adhesive pulls like steel, but I've done this dance, I know what they conceal. With patience, picks, and a practiced hand, the screen lifts free by firm command. Then down to business, each bracket unscrewed, each clip unclasped. I lift each one with gentle grasp. The shattered display is fully released, its duty done, its work has ceased. Inside, the heart, now fully on display, I kill the power, keeping the sparks at bay. First things first, disconnect the cell. The batteries flex, must break the spell. I cover the terminal with a plastic guard, preventing shorts, a step not hard. Now I clean, oh the tedious part, removing shards that linger like art. Adhesive residue, glass flakes and glue, all must go before the work is through. Alcohol swabs, tweezers and nylon brush, the housing cleaned with a steady hush. Every port and groove, each side aligned, prepping the body for what comes in time. I test the new screen before it's set, a powered on check, no room for regret. I reconnect the battery, power anew, and lay the screen like morning dew. The image glows, touch works like gold, now I can seal the frame controlled. Adhesive pre-cut and laid by hand, secures the new glass to the metal band. I press it flush, the frame precise, no dust within, no hidden vice. Clamps or weights apply firm hold, while bonds reform and glass takes mold. As it sets, I breathe once more. This iPad lives like it did before. But deeper still than what you see is skill and care and mastery. Each screw, each lift, each test, each pause respects the form, the craft, the cause. To those who think repairs just trade, you've never seen the art I've made. So here it stands, the job is done. The screen is bright, the glass is won. Another pro, another save, another piece of waste we've braved. So if you've watched and felt the flow, and want to try or send your own, know this repair was done with pride, where skill and patience coincide.